Yes, sir. Started recording.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
what do you mean by the dimensions better right now? The dimensions are nothing but to power. So if I'm writing in the units and dimensions, we have 7 fundamental quantities beta: mass, length, time, current, temperature, amount of substance, and luminous intensity. Mass is represented by your M, length is represented by L, time represented by capital T, current represented by ampere capital A, temperature Kelvin represented by K, amount of substance mole, symbol is MOL, and luminous intensity unit is candela, and symbolic representation is right now for your CD particulation. Now, what are the dimensions, beta? Dimensions are the power to or the exponents to which the physical quantity or fundamental quantities have been raised. Like distance or displacement, you dimension formula m0 l1 t power 0, because distance is measured only in the length. There is no mass in that one, there is no time in that one. Velocity or speed in a straight line, distance or displacement divided by time. Distance is measured by length, time is represented by t. So t, you take it up, so it is l t power minus 1. So it is m0 l power 1 t power minus 1. Acceleration change in velocity by time. That means velocity by time. Velocity dimension already we got Lt power minus 1. So it is Lt power minus 1 divided by Ut. So T will go up. So the answer for that one is Lt power minus 2 or M0 L1 T power minus 2. If I'm writing density, density is equal to how much beta? Mass by volume. Mass is capital M. Volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Dimension of length is L, breadth is also L, height is also L. L into L into L. So that will be called L cube. L cube will go up. So it is M into L power minus 3 T power 0. Like in examination, he may ask you what is the dimension of the length and the density. Then your answer will be equal to how much? Minus 3. What
Yes.
is the dimension of the time in the density? It will be 0. What is the dimension of the mass in the density? That
One.
will be equal to 1.
One.
Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
The next one. Force dimension, sir. Force will be equal to your mass into acceleration,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? So mass dimension is represented by capital M. Acceleration dimension is represented by your Lt power minus 2.
Minus.
You need to
Yes.
practice a lot better, otherwise you can't remember them.
Okay, sir.
Clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear better?
Yes,
So
sir.
force is equals to mass into acceleration. So it is ml t power minus 2. ml t power minus 2 part of relation. Okay, I hope you got the given condition.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next one is about your dimensional formula. Next one is your dimensional formula. Okay. So dimension formula are nothing but beta. After knowing the units, or we can derive the help of some fundamental quantities, we can write the dimensional formula. Like force dimensional formula means this one. So this is a total formula what I am writing. This is known as a dimensional formula. Like say for example, work. Example. Work is equals to how much beta? Work is equals to your force into displacement.
Yes,
Force
sir.
into displacement. Both of them are vector quantity. Force dimension is how much beta? ml t power minus 2.
Minus 2.
Dimension of the displacement is L. So the work
Yes,
is
sir.
equals to how much for me? ml
ML
square t
square.
power minus 2. This totally, if I'm writing the mass, length, and time, all the three terms at a time, that is called as of your dimensional formula.
Okay, sir.
Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What will be the unit of this one, beta? Force is measured in the unit of the work. Newton meter. Antena? 1 Newton meter is equals to 1 joule. 1 joule. Unit of the work is nothing but equal to how much for me, beta? 1 joule. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
The next one is power. Power is equals to how much beta? Work by time. Rate of doing work is called as power.
Yes,
Power
sir.
dimension is how much? ml square t power minus 2 divided by your t.
T.
This t will go up right now. So what will be the
Minus
dimension
3.
for this one? So this will be
ML
equal to
square.
ml square t power minus
Minus
3.
3.
The next one is pressure. Pressure is equals to what beta? Force by area.
Yes, sir.
Force by your area. Force dimension beta ml t power minus 2. And the mass into acceleration. Acceleration is lt power minus 2 divided by area. Area will be equal to length into breadth. That will become for me L square.
Yes,
This
sir.
L, the square will get cancelled. So it is m L power minus
Minus
1
2.
t
Oh.
power minus 2.
Okay, like,
Clear?
yes, sir. The above value is
Isn't it?
getting
So don't
cancelled.
try to remember the formula beta. Don't try to buttify these formulas. You can't buttify the formulas. You need to
Okay,
know
sir.
the basic formula. From there, you can derive for whatever physical quantity, we can write the dimensions. Okay, na?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Let us try to do some problems based on this one. So find the dimensions of, find dimensions of following. First one, universal gravitational constant. Universal gravitational constant. Universal gravitational constant, that is capital G. Where did you get this one, beta? In your 9th class, you might have been got force
Yes.
between two masses. This is your mass M1 and this one is your mass of your M2, separated by certain distance of your R. Force is directly proportional to product of masses and inversely proportional to square of the distance. So removing the proportionality constant, we get the formula F is equals to G into M1 into M2 divided by R square. I hope you remember this one.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Now, what is the G here? Universal gravitational constant. So bring the G out. So G will be equal to how much for me? F into your R square divided by masses of the particles. If they are same, I can write this one as of your M1 into your M2. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me the gravitational force dimension is equals to M L T power minus 2.
Minus 2.
Dimension of the length is nothing but of your L square divided by this is your mass into your mass.
Yes,
so in
sir.
this mass will get cancelled, this mass will go up. So this will be equal to M power minus 1. L square into L, this will become for me L cube. This one is T power minus 2. That will be the dimension formula of your G. So dimension formula of the G is equals to M to the power of minus 1, L to the power of 3, T power minus 2. This is very peculiar beta because the dimension of the mass generally will be positive, but this is one of the special case in which the dimension of the mass is negative. He may ask you, give me a physical quantity in which the dimension of the mass is negative. What is the answer for that one? Universal gravitational constant. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Next one is coefficient of viscosity. Already అయిపోయింది నీకు ఇది కాలేజ్లో, మా దగ్గర
Yes, sir.
కాలేదు కానీ. Coefficient of your viscosity represented by formula neta. Coefficient of viscosity. What is the formula for this one, beta? Coefficient of your viscosity. Stokes law replacement chesko. So what is in Stokes law? Force will be equal to your 6 pi neta R into your V. Neta is your coefficient of viscosity, beta. So now get the value of the dimensions of neta. Neta is equals to your F divided by, this will become for me 6 pi R into your V. Antena?
Yes, sir.
Now dimensions of neta you calculate right now. Neta is equals to dimension of force enta nana? M L T power minus 2 divided by, this constant, we don't have any dimension for the constant. R is represented by length, velocity is represented by L T power minus 1. This L will get cancelled. So dimension of neta will be equal to how much, beta? M. L will go up, L power minus 1. T power, this minus 1 will go up, this will become for me plus. So this will become how much for me? T power minus 1. So that is the dimension of your coefficient of viscosity. Got an idea how to write the dimension?
Yes, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Next one, surface tension. Represented by T. What is surface tension formula, beta? Surface tension is nothing but T is equals to force per your unit length, F by your L. Dimension of force is how much, beta? M L T power minus 2 divided by your L. This L gets cancelled, so it is your M L power 0 T power minus 2. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
If I ask you what is the dimension of the length in the surface tension, so what will be your answer?
0, sir.
0. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Next one. If you know the formula, you can go and calculate that one bit. Next one is, say for example, for gas constant. Dimension of your gas constant. Gas constant is represented by capital R. So what is an equation for the gas equation, beta? Ideal gas equation. PV is equals to N into R into T.
Yes, sir.
So I need the dimensions of your R. So R is equals to how much for me? P into V divided by N
And
into
T.
T. Now, can you tell me what is the pressure into volume beta? Pressure into volume is nothing but work only, kada?
Yes, sir.
PV, W is equals to PV. That means
Yes,
this is
sir.
the dimension of work. Dimension of the work is how much beta? M into L square T power minus 2. Antera?
Yes, sir.
Dimension of work.
Yes,
ML
sir.
square T power minus 2. These are very peculiar one beta. That is the reason we could able to remember some basics. N is measured in number of moles. So it is symbol is mole. Temperature is measured in Kelvin. That is represented by K.
Okay.
Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
P into V is nothing but this much. So what will be the answer I'll be getting beta? Dimension of your gas constant will be equal to M into L square T power minus 2. This will become for me how much beta? Kelvin to the power of minus 1.
So, mole to the power of
Mole to the power of minus
1. Yes.
1. Antara?
Yes.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
One more is Boltzmann's constant. Boltzmann's constant represented by letter K. What is the Boltzmann's constant relation beta? Formula gurtunda for Boltzmann's constant? PV is equals to your. We'll write this one as of your number of molecules N K into T. Boltzmann's constant is calculated for number of molecules. So it is represented by capital N. So K will be equal to P into V divided by your N into your T. N is nothing but number of molecules. Avogadro number.
Yes, sir.
That is a constant. We don't have any dimension for that one. Dimension of P into V is again work ml square T power minus 2 divided by K. That is in terms of your Kelvin.
Yes.
So what will be the answer for this one? It is M into L square T power minus 2 K power minus 1. Which in the?
Yes, sir. So constant, we don't even take any power.
Yeah, for the constants numbers, we don't have any dimensions.
Yes.
So for dimensions, for the constants, we don't have any dimensions. The same way, if I'm going for you a Stephen's constant. Stephen's constant. Represented with letter sigma. Stephen's constant ekkodochindana? Thermal properties of matters, Newton's laws of cooling.
Yes, sir.
Stephen's constant, Wien's displacement law. Represented by your sigma part. So Stephen's constant is represented by the relation U is equals to sigma into A into T to the power of 4. That means sigma is equals to your U divided by A T to the power of your 4.
Yes.
Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So what is your U beta? U is nothing but energy density. Energy per your unit time.
Yes, sir.
What is a U here right now? Energy per your unit time. Energy incident per your unit time. So energy dimension. This is your energy divided by time. Energy divided by time is not represented by U. Divided
And
by
the
your
time will
A
come
into
down.
T to the power of 4. Now dimension of energy is how much better? M into L square T power minus 2 divided by dimension of the time is nothing but equal to your T divided by your area A into T to the power of 4. So this will go up. So this will become for me how much? T power minus 3. So this will become for me, anything is getting cancelled in this one, you see. So this will become for me M.
Yes,
This one is nothing but of your L. L will become how much for me?
2 only.
L only, no?
Yes, sir.
There will be
No,
no L.
area. Yes, sir.
Area
Getting
is
cancelled.
represented by L square. So this
Okay,
A square and
excellent.
this L square will get cancelled. So this will become
Yes,
for
sir.
me 0. Then time is nothing but T to the power of. This one is nothing but of your how
Minus
much for
3.
me? Minus
3.
What is T here, better? This T is representing what? Temperature.
Yes, sir.
T is your temperature. So this is how much for me? T power minus 3.
3.
Temperature is represented by Kelvin. Kelvin to the power of minus 4.
Minus 4. Yes, sir.
Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
There is a way how do we calculate the Stephen's constant? Sixth. Seventh one, let us try to go. Wien's constant. Wien's constant. If he is asking the dimensions of your Wien's constant, represented by letter B. Represented by letter B. We need to remember the Wick's constant formula. What is the Wick's constant formula, beta? Wavelength into temperature is equals to your Wick's constant. Okay.
Yes.
Wavelength is nothing but what, beta? Wavelength is nothing but length only, kada?
Yes, sir.
Measurement. Wavelength is
Sir.
nothing but of your L. T is a temperature. It is Kelvin into B. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
dimension of the B is equal to how much for me? Dimension of your B is equals to L into your K. This is the dimension of this one. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
So if I know the values, I can go and calculate the physical quantities for the given condition. I hope you got a clarity right now.
Yes, sir.
This is the way how do we write the dimensions for any physical quantities. If I know the formula, I can go and give the dimensions for the given condition. You tell me what is the dimension of your specific heat, beta? Specific heat. Represented by letter S. What is the formula for the specific heat? Specific heat is Q is equals to M into your S into your delta theta, temperature difference.
Yes, sir.
So S will be equal to your Q by your M into delta theta. Q is nothing but what, beta? Heat only, na?
Yes, sir.
Heat is nothing but form of energy.
Yes, sir. So
Heat
we
is
can take
nothing but what?
ml
Form of an
square.
energy only, na?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
What is an energy dimension, beta? Energy
L
dimension,
square.
chapu, half into M into V square. Or
Yes, sir.
potential mg into H. Any energy dimension is always same, beta. So
Yes,
this is
sir.
your M. Velocity will be equal to L T power minus 1 whole square. So
Yes,
this will
sir.
come out for how much, beta? M
ml
into
square
L square T power minus 2
-2.
divided by mass is your M. Temperature is measured in your Kelvin.
Kelvin.
So this mass will get cancelled. So dimensions of your specific heat will become how much for me, beta?
L square
L square
e
T
to the
power
power
minus
minus
2
k
K
power
power
minus.
minus. Got it?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay. Tell me what is the dimension of your latent heat? Latent heat represented by capital L. We did this one in calorimeter.
Yes, sir.
The formula is Q is equals to M into latent heat. So L will be equal to Q by M. Q is nothing but energy. Dimension of energy is ml square T power minus 2 divided by mass M. This mass gets cancelled. So dimension of L will be equal to how much for me, beta? L square T power minus 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
I hope you are clear with this one, all dimensions right now.
Yes, sir.
And one more, I'll take last one. You try to do this one. Coefficient of linear expansion. Coefficient of linear expansion represented by alpha. Where did we get this formula, beta? Thermal expansions. Alpha is equals to change in length divided by original length into temperature difference. That is delta T. Okay. So dimensions of this one is alpha is equals to change in length dimension is L. The length dimension is also L. Temperature dimension is Kelvin. So this T will get cancelled. So K will go up. So this is Kelvin inverse. Then,
Yes, sir.
so that is about your way. How do you write the dimensions of your any physical quantity? I hope you got rough idea how to write the dimensions for your any physical quantities part of relation. Clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
So any doubt any of this one, beta? If you have any doubt, you please let me know. I'll try to help you out with this given conditions. Okay, na?
Sir, 1 minute. Sir, once can you show coefficient of linear?
Coefficient of linear.
Okay, sir.
టైం లిమిట్ చూపిస్తుంది ఏమన్నా?
No, sir.
Next one you see uses of dimensions. Uses of dimensions. First one, it is used for the conversion of units beta. Conversion of your units. That means you can convert SI system to CGS system, CGS system to your SI system. Okay.
Yes.
See, for any given physical quantity beta, for a given physical quantity, any physical quantity, anything it can be. For a given physical quantity, numerical value into its unit is always constant. So numerical value into its unit is always your constant part of relation. Numerical value into unit will always be constant. So how do you write that one beta? Numerical value is nothing but of your n into your unit. There is nothing but of your u will always be a constant. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
That means n1 u1 will be equal to your n2 into your u2. N1 u1 will be equal to your n1 u1. It will be equal to your n2 into your u2. N2 into your u2. That means if any physical quantities have a dimension formula beta and units of that physical quantity two systems are known for me, then I can get the relations between their n1 and n2 part of relation. Okay, now like an example, if I take right now, like an example, if I'm taking, like if I'm having a dimensions of, like say for example, a physical quantity is there, like say A, then dimension is channel. Like say for example, this is m to the power of alpha, L to the power of beta, T to the power of gamma. Okay,
Yes.
and units of the two physical quantities are being given. In 2 units, how do you write this one beta? So this can be written as right now for this one. So for example, n1 is given for me, n2 I need to calculate. So numerical value in the two systems means how do you write right now this one? See, this one is your n1 into unit means this will become for me m1 to the power of alpha, L1 to the power of your beta, and T1 to the power of your gamma will be equal to this one is your n2, and this will be equal to your m2 to the power of alpha, L2 to the power of your beta, and T2 to the power of your gamma. Ante kada? 2 units and
Yes,
they will be writing in terms of m1 and m2. And if I need to get the value of n2 anukundam. So if I know the value of your n1, so n2 will become for me how much right now? This one is of your n1, and here this will be equal to your m1 divided by your m2 to the power of an alpha. I can write
yes, sir.
the same way, L1 by your L2 to the power of your beta. I can write. The next one is nothing but of your T1 by your T2 to the power of your, this will become for me how much beta? Gamma.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is the basic way how do we use it to convert from one physical system to your another physical system part of relation. So n2 is equal to n1 into m1 by m2 into the power of alpha, L1 by L2 to the power of beta, T1 by T2 to the power of your gamma part of relation. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me give you an example for this one. So you know the Planck's constant value beta, H. H value is how much beta? 6.6 into 10 to the power
Yes.
minus 34 joule second in SI units. In SI units. Okay.
Yes.
Convert it into CGS unit beta. Convert it into CGS unit. Can we convert it? See? That means I have given me one numerical value, N1 ichadu. And H is a Planck's constant. So what is in Planck's constant? Where do we get a Planck's constant beta? E is equals to H into nu. Atomic structure.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
E is equals to H into nu. Nu is your frequency. Reciprocal of your frequency is nothing but time period.
Yes, sir.
Antena? So I can write this one as of your frequency means what I can write 1 by T. That means E is equals to your H by your capital T and go raskocha.
Yes, sir.
So H will be equal to how much? H is equals to energy into time. Energy dimension japo m into L square T power minus 2 into dimension is T. So dimension of this one will become how much for me beta? E is nothing but of your energy only, na?
Yes, sir.
Dimension of your energy will be equal to how much for me? ml square t power
-2.
-2. So this will become for me m into your L square t power -2. This one is your +1. This will be how much? T power -2 + 1 -1.
-1.
Then,
Yes,
so
sir.
this is the dimension formula of your Planck's constant.
Okay.
Okay, now I
Yes,
know the
sir.
dimension formula. I know the value of your n1, so I can
Yes, sir.
calculate the value of your n2. Antena? Let me write the values. N1 value is how much for me, beta? 6.6 into 10 to the power of -34. Mass of the first one is how much for me? 1 kg. Okay. Length L1 will be equal to how much? 1 meter in SI system. Antena? Time T1 is measured in SI system. T1 is measured in your 1 second. Okay. In CGS system, M2 will be equal to how much, beta? 1 gram. L2 will be equal to how much, beta? 1 centimeter. And T2 will be equal to how much, beta? 1 second. Antena?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? So I know
Yes,
the
sir.
value of n1. I don't know the value of n2. I know the values of m1 by m2. So can I use that formula directly, beta? n2 is equals to your n1 value is 6.6 into 10 to the power of -34 divided by m1 by m2. That is nothing but of your 1 kg divided by your 1 gram to the power. What is the dimension of the power here? 1 only. Then dimensions of length. L1 value is how much, beta? 1 meter divided by your 1 centimeter to the dimensions of your length dimension square. This is your
Yes,
square.
sir.
Then dimension of the time T1. T1 value is how much, beta? 1 second divided by your 1 second to the power of how much, beta? -1. Ante kada?
Yes, sir.
Powers. These are the powers of your mass. Power of the mass is 1. Power of length is square. Power of time is -1. So
Yes,
to
sir.
whatever the powers they have been raised, I have written that form, that powers there. Now we
Yes,
need the
sir.
answer in CGS system Gabati. N2 will be equal to 6.6 into 10 to the power of -34 into 1 kg. Can I write in grams, beta? How many grams it will become for me? 1000 grams divided by your 1 gram to the power of your 1. Next one is 1 meter. 1 meter means how many centimeters, beta? 100 centimeter divided by your 1 centimeter to the power of your 2. To the power of 2. Then 1 second means anyhow this will get cancelled. There is no use of this one. So
Yes,
this
sir.
gram and this gram gets cancelled. This centimeter will get cancelled. So it is 6.6 into 10 to the power of your -34 into this one is how much for me? 10 to the power of your 3 into 100 to whole square. That means this will become for me how much? 10 to the power of enta
2, sir.
square kada 100 whole
Yes, sir.
square. That means 10 square into whole square. 10 to the power of 4.
Yes, sir.
That 10 to the power of 4 kada. This 100
Yes,
kada.
sir.
100 square means what? 100 into 100.
10,000.
10,000. 10,000 can be written as
10 to the
10 to
power
the
of 4.
power of 4.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This will be equal to 6.6 into 10 to the power of -34 plus 3. Enter
-31. -31.
31
Minus
plus 4
-27.
-27. So this is your answer. Got it?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Isn't it? So that is the way how do we convert from one system to your another system part of a relation.
Yes,
I
sir.
hope you got rough idea related to this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let me give you. Shall I give you one more example?
Yes, sir.
Okay, inko example cheddama. Sure.
Yes.
You'll get one more example, right? Example number 2 cheddam. Like say for example, I have given you the Young's modulus. Young's modulus ekkada vastundana? Elasticity chapter lo.
Yes, sir.
Young's modulus of steel is that. Young's modulus of the steel is like say 2 into 10 to the power of 11 Newton per meter square. This is your SI unit beta. Convert it convert it into CGS unit. Convert it into your CGS unit, and that is in your dyne per centimeter square. Dyne per centimeter square. Now tell me, what is an Young's modulus formula first? What do you mean by Young's modulus? Young's modulus Y is equals to stress by strain.
Strain, yes.
What is the stress formula? Stress is equals to force by area. Strain is nothing but change in length by original length. So strain dimensions will become how much better? 0 gada. Dimensions of the change in length is L, and length
Yes,
is
sir.
also L.
Yes.
L and L will get cancelled.
Cancel.
So Y will be equal to your force by area. Force
Yes,
dimension is ML T power minus 2 divided by area is nothing but L square. This square and this one will get cancelled. So dimension is ML power minus 1 T power minus 2. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So dimensions of the Young's modulus, how much we got? Dimensions of this one is m L power minus 1 T power minus 2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now see, SI unit is 1 Newton per meter square beta. So 1 Newton per meter square. That means 1 Newton means this is your 1 kg into this one is meter square is to the power of your minus 1. 1 Newton is nothing but 1 kg per your meter into time is nothing but of your 1 second to the power of minus 2. Antena?
Yes, sir.
Dimension of mass is 1. Dimension of length is 1 meter. Dimension of time is 1 second. The same way, 1 dyne per centimeter square is equals to, this will become for me 1 gram into, this will become for me how much? 1 centimeter to the power of minus 1. And this one will be 1 second to the power of minus 2, CGS unit. Antena?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So 1 Newton per meter square is already known for me. So it is 1 Newton per meter square divided by 1 dyne per centimeter square will be equal to how much? That means N1 by N2 will be equal to M1 by your M2 to the power of your, how much it is? 1. This is L1 by L2 to the power of, how much it is? Minus 1. T1 by T2 to the power of, this one is how much? Minus 2. M1 by M2 means this is like this. M1 is nothing but how much beta? 1 kg. M2 is equals to how much
1
for
gram.
me? 1 gram.
Yes.
This is power is how much for me? 1. L1 is how much in terms of meters?
1.
1 meter. This will be equal to 1 centimeter.
Yes.
Power is to the power of minus 1.
1.
Then T1 by T2 is your 1 second divided by your 1 second to the power of your minus 2. This one anyhow will get cancelled.
Yes, sir.
Convert the, what we need the answer beta? Is asking in terms of your dyne. He's asking in terms of your dyne. That means 1 kg will be equal to how many grams beta?
1000, sir.
1000. So I can write this one as 1000 gram divided by your gram. Can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
The next one, 1 meter, can you write in centimeter? That will be equal to how many centimeters? 100 centimeter divided by your centimeter to the power of minus 1. This centimeter, this gram will get cancelled. So this will be equal to how much beta? That will be equal to your 1000 into this is 1 by 100.
Yes.
100 to the
Yes,
power
sir.
of minus 1 power. These two zeros will get cancelled. So that will be equal to how much for me? 10.
10.
Isn't it? So I can write here 1 Newton per meter square is equals to 10 dynes per centimeter square.
Yes.
1 Newton per meter square is given how much for me? This is 2 into 10 to the power of 11 Newton per meter square will be equal to how much for me? 2 into 10 to the power of 12.
Yes, sir. Yes.
10 to multiply. That will be equal to 10 to the power of 12 dyne per centimeter square. That will be the answer.
Yes.
Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Got an idea, rough idea?
Yes, sir.
Example number 3, Jadam. So we'll get more clarity. These are very important.
Yes.
See here, if the density of water, in CGS system, is gram per centimeter cube, convert it into SI system. convert it into your SI system or SI unit. So CGS system is given beta. I need to calculate SI system. Okay. So that means dimensions of density is how much beta? Density is equals to mass by volume.
Volume. Yes, sir.
So it is ml power minus 3.
Yes,
Antena?
sir. Volume is.
So CGS unit is 1 gram per centimeter cube. So SI system will become how much beta? 1 kg per meter cube. Gada?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? 1
Yes,
kg
sir.
per your meter cube. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
The density of water in CGS system is 1 gram per centimeter cube. This will be equal to your 1, this one. That means 1 kg will be equal to how much beta? 1 kg will be equal to your dimensions of this one. Mass is nothing but m. I'll write here units right now, otherwise it will be more better for you. So how do you write this one? We need to convert it into your SI unit. That means N1 is equals to how much? N2 is given how much for me beta? 1 gram given is right now for me how much? 1 gram per centimeter cube. Nothing is given means this is 1 gram per centimeter cube. So dimensions M1 is given as of your M. So that means N2 will be equal to your, this one is your N1 into the dimension of this one is your M1 by your M2 to the power of your 1. The next one is L1 by your L2 to the power of your minus 3. Okay, na?
Yes.
N2 value is given for me beta. N2 value is equals to how much for me beta? 1 gram per centimeter cube. This one is your 1 gram per your centimeter cube. That means I'll take 1. So this value is 1. This value is your N2. M1 is equals to how much beta? M1 is measured in terms of your kgs. So this will be equal to how much beta? 1 kg divided by your 1 gram to the power of 1. This one is 1 meter divided by 1. This will be equal to 1 centimeter to the power of your how much? Minus 3. Isn't it? So
Yes.
I need in CGS system kabatti 1 is equals to your N2 into. So can I write your 1 kg in 1 grams beta? How many grams it will be? 1000 grams divided by your G. This G gets cancelled. This one is 100 centimeter divided by your centimeter to the power of your minus 3. That means this will become for me your N2. This one is nothing but of your N1. Sorry, this is N1 kada, N2 in the restaurant.
Yes, sir.
This one is your N2 is equals to N1 kada. This one is also N1. This is also N1. This is also your N1. So this one is your N1. This is your N1. This is your N1. This is your 1000 divided by, this is 10 to the power of minus 3. That means this will become how much for me? 10 to the power of your minus 3.
Sir, it is
100 into 100 into 100. Antena?
yes, sir.
Ante kada? So
Yes,
this two is been gone right now. This one and this one is also gone here.
yes.
So it is 1 is equals to your N1 into this will become for me how much better? 1000.
1000.
Isn't it? That means N1 value will become how much better? N1 value is equals to how much for me? 1000. Avuna kada?
Yes, sir.
N1 value is equals to 1000. That means I can say that 1 gram per centimeter cube will be equal to your 1000 kg per meter cube. Ante kada?
Yes, sir.
1 gram per your centimeter cube will be equal to 1000 kg per your meter cube. Is it? Because this is your N2 U2 is equals to your N1 U1. Unit of this one is this one. N1 value I got 1000. N2 value is 1. U2 value is this one. So this value 1 gram per centimeter cube is equals to 1000 kg per your meter cube. I hope you got a rough idea related to this one.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
అర్థమైందా మళ్ళీ చెప్పనా? So dimensions లో ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఏం చేయాలి మనము? You just need to write the dimension and use this formula and see whatever is given in the data, and we need to write first ever the dimension formula of that physical quantity and try to see that whether it is asking in SI system or in CGS system. If it is asking the value in CGS system means I need to calculate N2. If it is asking the value in SI system means you need to write the value in N1. then you need to convert everything in terms of your either CGS system or either in SI system. If I need the answer in CGS system, convert the SI system into CGS. అంటే గ్రామ్ ని కేజీస్ ని గ్రామ్ లో కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకోవాలా, meters ni centimeters la convert chesukovala. So that will give me the answer in terms of your N2. Okay na?
Yes.
I'll give you one more example. Can you try to do it or this one or not, sir? Example 4. The SI unit of work is joule. And then the SI unit of work is joule. Convert it into CGS unit. Convert it into your CGS unit. Should. What is the dimension of work beta? Dimensions of your work will be equal to m L square T power minus 2.
Yes.
Antena?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So what is the formula we are having? N2 divided by your N1 is equals to, this one will be your M1 divided by your M2 to the power of how much? 1. This one is L1 by your L2 to the power of how much?
2.
Then T1 by your T2 to the power of how much? Minus 2. Now in what unit we need the answer that you try to check. Convert in the CGS unit. That means I need to get the value of what? N2 only, na?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So N2 value is nothing but equal to, N2 value is measured in right now. So this is nothing but of your N2 and this one is of your N1. So N1 unit is how much for me? This one is N2. Unit of this one is equal to how much better? Convert into CGS unit. CGS unit of the work is what? Erg. Antena?
Yes, sir.
This will be equal to your 1 erg divided by your 1 joule is equals to, M1 is equals to how much better? 1 kg divided by your 1 gram to the power of your 1. Antena?
Yes, sir.
L1 is equals to your 1 meter divided by your 1
centimeter.
centimeter. This will be equal to your whole square.
Yes, sir.
T1 is equals to 1 second divided by 1 second to the power of how much? This one is minus 2. This one you convert that one everything in terms of your what? CGS unit. So kg CGS unit length avutundi. That will become
1000.
for me 1000 gram divided by your gram. The next one is nothing but of you. 1 meter is 100 centimeter divided by your 1 centimeter.
Yes.
Unit for this one is nothing but 2. This
Yes.
is 1 second will get cancelled. This gram, centimeter will get cancelled. So this will be equal to 10 to the power of 3 into this will be equal to your 10 to the power of 4. Antena?
Yes, sir. 100
It will become how much for me? 10 to the power of
7, sir.
10 to the power of your 7. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Correctation ananta. N2 value is equals to your N1. N2 is equals to your N1. N1 value is this much. Calculation clear ananta. This one is
Yes,
your
sir.
1000. So 10 to the power of 7. That means 1 erg is equals to 1 erg is equals to how much I can write here right now? 1 erg is 10 to the power of 7. Something I'm doing mistake, you see. N2 by N1 is how much you see right now the formula. N2 by your N1 is equals to, N2 by N1 is equals to your, N2 is your in CGS system and this is in your SI system. SI system is nothing but of your, how much this one is 1. So in this one is your in SI system. Everything I need to convert into CGS system. No?
Yes, sir.
That means this will be equal to your
Sir,
where
did we go?
That was I'm checking where I'm going wrong. N2 is equals to your N1. Correct, Ashwini. One kg is 1000 grams. This one is 100 centimeters, 10 to the power of 7. One joule is 10 to the power of 7x kada.
Yes, sir.
I need in CGS system kabatti. This will become for me 1 kg divided by 1 gram is how many kgs beta? 10 power minus 3 kg.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This one is 1 meter and 1 centimeter means this is 10 to the power of minus 2 meters. Then
Yes.
this one is your whole square. Anyhow, this will get cancelled. This kg, this meter will get cancelled.
Yes.
So this will become for me how much? 10 to the power of minus 3 means this will become for me 10 to the power of 3
Same.
into this one is 10 to the power of 2. Same I'll getting still. Antena?
Yes.
10 to the power of 4 or 10 to the power of minus 2 whole square kada. So this one is 10 to the power of 7. So 1 erg divided by your 1 joule. Antena?
Yes, sir.
Don't know where I'm going. Okay, I'll check it out better. Just check it out this once. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
So the remaining